What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Atlanta area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2021 in Atlanta. Oh, in Atlanta, Miss Jody, give them the reveal.
So in Atlanta, we asked, where are we now? What is the best local Jamaican patty shop / bakery? Are we ready for the results?
And the winner is
Royal Caribbean Bakery. Congratulations to you.
Caribbean Bakery. Okay. And in Atlanta, we want to know, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries?
Well, that will be Caribbean Farmers Market. I can attest to that. That's the only place you can really find real Jamaican food.
All right, well, congratulations, Caribbean Farmers Market in Atlanta.
And then, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? The winner is
the
Spicy Hill Restaurant. And then we asked, the Jamaican / Caribbean annual event you miss attending the most due to COVID-19. And that is the Atlanta Jamaican Independence Ball. Congratulations to you. Last but not least in Atlanta, the best Jamaican Caribbean event you attended this year, and that is the Atlanta Jamaican Association Fun Day. Congratulations to all our winners in Atlanta.
Okay.